Today we are going to learn how to update attendance for housekeeping. Here manage assignments. Now here only 3 attendants housekeepers. Uh, if we want to update our housekeepers, click on setup and go to property hub configuration. Hit on attendance. Then here it is showing lot of attendants, but click on active one. So add attendant, name and last name and their code, like what they code, how we call them. Then from starting date, no need to require, like no required phone number, just click on add. See, now it is showing 4. Go to front office, go to housekeeping, click on this one. You can see manage assignments. See, here it is showing 4. Now 4 people. If you want to remove them, then go to, again you can go to setup, property of configuration, attendance, then click on active one. See, just hit on remove, just delete. See, go to front office, go to housekeeping. See, now it is showing only 3. That's it. Thank you.